In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Zoom keyboard shortcuts. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. Zoom is an incredibly versatile tool, especially now that more and more of us are using it for meetings, classes, and webinars. One way you can make your Zoom experience even better is by creating keyboard shortcuts for quick access. Imagine being able to launch a Zoom meeting or join a call with just a few keystrokes. So, I'm going to walk you through how to set this up on your Windows computer. First, start by clicking on the Windows Start menu, which is located in the bottom left corner of your screen. If you like, you can also simply use the search bar beside it. Go ahead and type in Zoom. You should see the Zoom application pop up in your search results. Once you see it, right-click on the Zoom app. This is important because it allows you to access additional options. From the context menu that appears, select Open File Location. Doing this will take you to the folder where the Zoom shortcut is stored. Now that we're in the folder, you should see the Zoom shortcut file. If you're not familiar, a shortcut is simply a quick way to access an application without having to search for it every time. So, go ahead and right-click on that Zoom shortcut file. Here comes the part where we can add some convenience to your daily routine. If you want Zoom to be easily accessible from your taskbar, look for the option that says Pin to Taskbar. Clicking this will pin the Zoom application right down on your taskbar, making it only a click away whenever you need to start or join a meeting. Now, if you prefer having it on your desktop instead, you can do that too. Simply hover over the Send To option in the context menu, and from the drop-down, you'll want to select Desktop, Create Shortcut. This will create a Zoom shortcut directly on your desktop, giving you easy access every time you log into your computer. At this point, you should have either the Zoom application pinned to your taskbar or a shortcut on your desktop, or maybe you've even done both. The next step is to create keyboard shortcuts that will allow you to launch Zoom with just a few keystrokes. To set up a keyboard shortcut, right-click on the Zoom shortcut you just created, whether it's on your taskbar or on your desktop. Then select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, you'll see a field labeled Shortcut Key. Click on this field and type in the keys you would like to use, such as Ctrl-Alt-Z. Once you've chosen your shortcut, make sure to apply your changes and hit OK. And there you have it. Now, whenever you want to launch Zoom, simply press your chosen keyboard combination, and you're good to go with just the press of a few keys. That wraps up our tutorial on creating Zoom keyboard shortcuts. I hope this helps streamline your Zoom experience and makes life just a little easier. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found this helpful.